Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring a few essentials so the fix works. First, make sure your laptop has the latest OS and calendar app updates. That prevents known bugs. Once done, confirm you're logged into the correct account and that the primary calendar is selected. Then, make sure system date, time, and time zone are accurate and set to automatic. Incorrect time often blocks sync. Now open the calendar app and keep this session active while you proceed. You'll now tackle the core synchronization steps. If events won't update, remove the calendar account and re-add it. This forces a fresh authentication and index rebuild. Next, clear the app cache or database from settings and reset sync, giving it a couple minutes to repopulate. Make sure the calendar app has permissions for contacts, calendar access, and background data. Without them, some providers will refuse to sync. If your provider requires app-specific passwords, enter those during re-add to avoid authentication failures. Finish by rebuilding and confirming everything is healthy. Export any local or unsynced events first so nothing is lost. Then choose Rebuild or Re-import for the calendar database and force a manual sync. Next, restart your laptop to clear lingering locks. After reboot, open the calendar and verify events appear correctly across devices. If problems persist, check the calendar provider's status and rebuild one calendar at a time. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific calendar refuses to sync, remove it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.